Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Sabarmuddin Tampu Bolon. I want presentation about case 2 out of control Toyota Motor Corporation. Profile Toyota Motor Corporation. Toyota Motor Corporation is a car manufacturer from Japan, founded 1937. Founder of Toyota Motor Corporation is Kiichiro Toyoda, based in Toyota H. At present, Toyota is the largest car producing manufacturer in the world. In addition to producing cars, Toyota also provides financial service and also make robots. TMC is a member of the Toyota Group and manufactures cars under the Toyota, Lexus, and Scion, Daihatsu, and Hino brands, and has a small stake in Subaru and Isuzu. The figure 1. This is photo of the founder Toyota Motor Corporation is Kiichiro Toyoda. Fig 2 is Toyota code symbol. Fig 3. Some type of cars product from Toyota companies. Case Toyota Motor Corporation out of control. The main to the mechanism in the car. This happens because of the sudden occurrence of the employees in the production process of making Toyota company cars. With a worldwide recall of some 8 million cars and 51 deaths that US. The cause: reduction of production costs to conduct foreign expansion. From about 1995 to 2009, Toyota embarked on the most aggressive overseas expansion in automotive history, and at the same time had a laser-like unfailing focus on cutting costs. For major cost-cutting and expansion initiatives severely started organizational process and employees. One initiative was local manufacturing. Starting in the late 1990s, Toyota established manufacturing hubs in Asia, North America, and Europe. Such an approach meant relying more on local suppliers and design teams to tailor cars to local tastes. Another initiative was called Construction of Coach Competitiveness for the 21st Century, or CCC 21. It was a massive cost reduction program through an ongoing process of redesigning parts and working with suppliers. More than $10 billion of savings were achieved. The Value Innovation Initiative was a more ambitious version of CC21. Under this program, more savings were achieved by making the entire development process cheaper and by further cutting parts and production costs. And finally, the global initiative was a master global plan for attaining a 14% share of the global car market by 2010. As of May 2010, Toyota had an 11.7% share of the worldwide car market. However, this combination of high-speed global growth and ambitious cost cut lead to the quality lapses that turns it the on M13 brand company action and set We fostered growth over the speed at which we were able to develop our people and our organization. Remedy its problems. In addition to the massive recall, the company president say that it is setting up a system to respond more quickly to complaints. In fact, the automaker has promised to give regional executive a bigger role in using issue recall based and on local consumer complaints. Also, Mr. Toyota say that the final decision regarding recalls will continue to be made in Japan. The company is also holding twice yearly global quality meetings and more frequent regional quality meetings. And finally, the company is recommitting itself to better training employees in quality control. The culture at Toyota Motor Corporation is holding the fund management principle for fee. Are the core of TPS and the employees are guided problem solving, people and partners, process, and philosophy. The idea behind this principle is that good thinking means good product. This culture is carried out so that in the production process in produce quality cars so that later Toyota Motor Corporation can run well and depth its competitors in order to gain the trust of its consumers. All cultures that have a strong commitment to quality lost the ability to influence employee behavior and action due to a lack of control and communicated correct out by a leader or management of the company over their employees, so that employees act or work in accordance with pre-existing principle or culture. The lesson the lesson we can take from the culture of Toyota Motor Corporation is about the need to prioritize customer satisfaction, safety, and comfort in using our company products so that consumers can always trust the quality of our product. And if our company has good principle and culture, we need to always maintain that with a commitment. Important for Mr. Toyoda to apologize for the company education. This is done so the fight of Mitra and consumer are not so disappointed with events that occurred before. With this apology, the Mitra and consumers will know about the company action to improve the quality of its production. So the consumer and partners are not too worried about the problems that exist in these companies. The lesson The lesson that can be taken by other company from Toyota Motor Corporation company problems about are if the company has culture, characteristic, or good principle about the concept and philosophy of the company that have excited for a long time in order to continue to maintain it so that the company can develop rapidly in the future. Another thing that can be done is the need for good communication between a leader and his subordinates. I think that's all, and thanks for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.